Welcome to Education Hub. In this video, we are going to talk about Python dictionaries. What do you mean by dictionary? Dictionaries are used to store data values in key-value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicates. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. In Python 3.6 and earlier, dictionaries are unordered. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Create and print are dictionary. Now dictionary equal to curly braces, brand, model, year are keys, and Ford Mustang 1968 are values. These are key-value pairs. Means dictionary have keys and values. Now print dictionary, run it, and the output will be brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1968. Now dictionary item. Print the brand value of the dictionary. Dictionary consists of key values, 3 keys and 3 values. Print dictionary brand. Run it, output will be Ford. Key value brand and the value is Ford. Duplicate not allowed in dictionary. Dictionary cannot have two items with the same keys. Duplicate values will overwrite existing values. These are the dictionary, 4 key and 4 values. Duplicacy, year, print dictionary, then run it, output will be brand Ford, model Mustang and year 2021. In this, duplicate values will overwrite existing values. Dictionary length. To determine how many items a dictionary has, use the len function. In this, print the number of items in the dictionary. Duplicate not allowed, so run it, it will print 3. Brand, model and year. 3 items in the dictionary. The value in dictionary items can be of any data type. From Python perspective, dictionaries are defined as object with the data type dict. Class dict. Print the data type of dictionary. Dictionary, these are the keys and values. Print type dict. Run it and the output will be class dict. Because dictionary are defined as object with the data type dict. How to access item in the dictionary? You can access the item of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square bracket. In this example, get the value of the model key. Dictionary, these are the keys and colon, these are the values. Print dict model. Run it and the output will be Mustang. There is also a method called get that will give you the same result. Get the value of the model key. Dictionary keys colon value x equal to dict dot get model print x. Output will be Mustang. Get keys. The keys method will return a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Get a list of the keys, we use dict dot keys. Dictionary, These are the keys column and these are the values. X equal to dict dot keys print X. Run it and the keys are brand, model, year. Add a new item to the original dictionary and see that the keys list gets updated as well. Car, dictionary name, these are the keys and these are the values. X equal to car dot keys print X. Car color equal to white print X. Run it and the output will be before the change brand, model, year. After the change brand, model, year and color. Get values. The values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. Get a list of the values. We use dict.values. Here dictionary consists of 3 keys and 3 values. Keys colon value pair. X equal to dict.values. Print X. Run it and the output will be Ford Mustang 1964. These are the key values. Make a change in the original dictionary and see that the values list gets updated as well. Car consists of keys colon value pairs. X equal to car dot values print X. Car year equal to 2020 print X. Run it and the output will be dictionary dot values Ford Mustang 1964 before the change. Now dictionary value Ford Mustang 2020 after the change. Add a new item to the original dictionary and see that the values list gets updated as well. Car consists of keys colon values. X equal to car dot values print X. Car color equal to red print X. Run it and the output will be dictionary values before the change Ford Mustang 1968, after the change Ford Mustang 1968 and red. Thank you.